Hey everybody, welcome to the apple tree. I am going to open up my Chalk Couture package that I received in the mail. I'm excited to see what I ordered. Hey Bubbles, this is open. You say hi, Bubbles. Say hi to everybody. She's taking a nap right next to me here. There she is. She's sleepy. You sleepy girl. Okay, let's get some scissors here. Get this box open. It's a big one. I got a really humongous box. I don't know what I ordered. That's so huge. So here it is. Get some scissors here. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a good day. I had a really nice day today, even though the weather's kind of crummy. It's raining, but it's just a nice, relaxing day today. Just got done making some meatloaf, so that's in the oven, cooking for dinner. Let's see here. Wow, this is a big box. All right, here we go. We got it open. Let's see if I can do this on my lap with a little help from another chair. There we go. First, we'll take out all the puffy airbags. Wow. That's a lot. Wow, a great big box, and there's really not too much in here. But let's take a look. All right, I got a couple of my board and bases that I'm going to be using for bundle kits that I'm going to be offering. So I have a few of those with some Christmas or Thanksgiving transfers. Those I offer over on my VIP page. So if you're interested in trying Chalk Couture, I've got some bundle kits there for you. And then these are the pillar stand. Let's see, I have one. I'll show you what they look like outside of the box. I've got one in the other room. Oh, and I got the new tags. Aren't these cute? For Christmas gifts, or even just to decorate some of your other crafts that you make. Just put a chalk transfer on there with a little twine bow or something, and that would dress it up really cute. So I can't wait to try these. There's actually a coordinating, hi Lisa, thanks for joining. There's actually a coordinating transfer that goes with these to make them extra cute. And then I got a pack of these, the Christmas ornaments. They're wooden and they're painted. And then there is a transfer that goes along with these as well, and they look super cute. So I can't wait to show you guys these. And I bought a pack of our Christmas tree cutouts, and there is a transfer for these too. They have really cute patterns on them, and they fit these exactly the shape, so it makes it super easy to whip these up. You can give them away as gifts or decorate your home. And here is another of the pillar stand, the white ones. You know, these are white, and I had seen, oh, I think it was a picture somewhere, that someone for Halloween had painted this black, because it comes white, the whole thing, but they painted it black and put a Halloween transfer on there, and it's really cute and black. I never would have thought to do that. Oh, I did order lots of things. You see all that big list? There's more in the bottom. Oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. So I have, what are these? The Warm Wishes Minis. Now these we can put on our chockable chips. I think if you guys know what those are, they're just round chips, about yay size. And these are really cute too for ornaments or for gift tags. You can make magnets out of them. There's a lot of ways to use our chockable chips, and these are really cute on there. Sorry about the noise. Oh yeah, I got this one. This is the North Pole postmark. See that? Isn't that cute? That would go nice on like the board and base, or the this one here, the board and base. That would look really cute on this one here. It's a perfect fit. Or also on the pillar stand. This is the Wicked Chickens, the one that's in the vault. I think the vault is still open. I'm not sure. But this was in there last month for September, and I had ordered it and just got it today. So can't wait to use these. That's my kind of humor, you know. That's me. This one is another one of the Warm Wishes minis. I got 2 of those, I think, because then I can perhaps offer this in a bundle as well. Oh, and I love this. The elf made me do it. Isn't that cute? Love that one. And we have the Christmas Story collection for the gift tags. Now those go along with these. So you can decorate these. Really cute with the different designs. This one here is the ice skate rental. I just love this one. Oh, the detail. Isn't that cool? Try not to get the glare in there. I love all the detail with the twigs and stuff. Yeah. Try not to get the glare in there. That's cute. I can't wait to make that one. Wow, 25 cents it says on there for rental. Yeah, not today. In real life. Oh, and here are the Christmas tree cutout transfers that they actually, like I said, fit the shape of the cutout trees. So super simple to create these, whip them up in a hurry, and away you go. Something super cute and easy. Big transfer. Looks like I have, oh, I forgot I ordered this one from the vault again. Sugar cookies. Yes, I can't wait to put that on my big board in my kitchen. I'll probably do that probably around maybe not Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day. As you know, it's a kind of a sugar cookie kind of holiday, I think. Uh-oh, Bubbles, what did you do? I hope I'm still live. What did you do? Oh, I'm still live. Sorry. Bubbles decided to stretch out and do it on top of my keyboard. Kitty cats and keyboards. I don't know what the deal is. All right, babes, I'm going to put you down here. Okay. And that's it. That was the bottom. So, I hope you enjoyed my reveal. My package slipped 2 pages long, Lisa. Holy cow. You go, girl. My kind of shopping, right? All right, everybody. I will probably be on a little bit later. I have a call to make at like 8 o'clock, so I'm just going to come on and I think I'll jump over on my VIP page and demonstrate, let's see if I got it here, the flying lessons that we have for Halloween. This one here. So I'll be doing that one over on my VIP page. So join me a little bit later. It's going to be fun. Bye, guys.